Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, select App Settings at the top and click on Most Recent. Then click on the best option for you. In my case, All Apps. Finally, you can click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Calendar. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!